We have some mad construction going on in our backyard, so if you hear that, please work with me. I just wanted to set a little preface for this video because I feel like I've just learned from my past vegan videos or just food videos in general that this is something that probably needs to be done going forward for most of them. I don't know if a trigger warning is what I need to say for this, but basically even just after watching the video I can see how it may look like I'm again not eating a lot. I just want to say real fast that since quarantine has been going on, I've been waking up super late or just later than I usually would, and like I just not even if I wake up later, I still eat later. Like I will wake up and I kind of do some things before I eat, so it'll be like an hour and a half before I eat my first meal anyway, because I eat dinner so late. Like things are just so like mixed in my like eating schedule, sleep schedule, all of that. So I definitely eat my breakfast around like 1 or 1:30, and so it may seem like I'm skipping a meal, but it's genuinely just because I start later in the day. So I want to clear that up real fast because I know it may look like that. So there's that, and then I also, again, I just enjoy editing these videos and having fun with them, and I tried out different like meals and foods that I really don't eat normally, so I wanted to also include that in here. So this video is more than just that, it's just more than... And then I'm also just hopefully giving you guys some meal inspirations and just like things to try and eat and stuff. If you guys are curious, if that's what you guys want. Every day is different for me. Every day looks different. I mean, my breakfast will kind of be the same sort of, but I'll just like switch it, change it up every day, or like I'll add something or take something out, or I'll just rotate them, anything like that. So that kind of stays the same. My dinners usually change. That's whenever I get the most like experimental, I guess. So I just wanted to include that in here, but I understand even thinking that it won't affect you, and then subconsciously it does, which is just frustrating. It's so frustrating, and I just don't want to feed into that for you guys because that's not what I wanted from this video. So anyway, I know this is a lot for an intro, but I think it's needed, especially from feedback I got from you guys from like last video. So I hope this, says what it needs to say. But with that being said, I hope you enjoyed the video. Otherwise, if you end up watching it, I hope you guys are staying healthy and safe. And I'll talk to you guys so soon. Bye. Put bread up and use it. We're making 2 kinds of toast. Word. Okay. This is the fun part. Cool. Progress. I'm not a huge fan of peanut butter toast. Like, I'll definitely opt for something else. Sexy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Let's make coffee. Stay tapped in. It's dinner time, people. Like, not cute at all, but the vibes are there. We get it, we get it. We get that this is about to be so good. That's all. I just got off a call, and I'm now gonna make tea.
Drag.
This doesn't seem right.
Well, that was that one you used to like when you were younger.
Maybe what kind of yep, the inspires some thought.
This is the time where I get my book and I read, so I was gonna play some slow, nice music, but that's just not what I'm feeling.
With no visa, first class with the seat.
They're dancing. Vibes. That is sexy. Ew, look at my throat.